Effect of genetically engineered crops on farm sustainability in order to reduce world hunger. Despite the fact that more than enough food is produced to feed the world populations, hunger is inextricably linked to poverty and it involves interaction between a variety of social, political, demographic, and societal factors. Poverty and conflict are the two of the reasons. When people are poor, they lack the resources to meet their basic needs such as food, water, and shelter. People are frequently uprooted from their homes and land as a result of conflict, and food production suffers or ceases entirely. Conflict also disrupts economies, causing market volatility. With the introduction of genetic engineering technology in agriculture, crop improvement science entered a new era. The ability to transfer genes between species represents a significant advancement over previous plant breeding techniques which could only give transfer desired traits between related types of plants. The most common genetically engineered or GE traits enable plants to produce their own insecticide, reducing crop losses due to insect damage, or to resist herbicides, allowing herbicides to be used to kill many types of weed without harming crops. We can combat global hunger and malnutrition, but it takes a comprehensive approach to ensure long-term impact by improving agriculture to increase incomes. The extreme poor frequently rely on farming for a living. However, many smallholder farmers live far from markets where they can sell their crops for a profit. They face challenges such as a lack of credit, resources, and the necessary skills to improve their harvest. This is where genetically engineered plants come in. According to studies, when best management practices are used, GE crops are effective at reducing pest problems while providing economic and environmental benefits to farmers. Genetic tinkering can possibly be used in a variety of crops grown in novel ways in addition to herbicide and insecticide resistance, as well as for greater a variety of goals. What is the primary significance of genetically engineered plants in the fight against world hunger? GE crops could aid in addressing global issues, food insecurity as a result of the development of plants with enhanced nutritional value or resilience in the face of climate change. The effects of GE crop revolution on farm-level sustainability in terms of environmental, economic, and social impact on farms that use GE crops as well as those do not. It discusses the challenges and opportunities for future GE crops, as well as suggestions for crop management practices and future research and development efforts can assist in realizing the full potential of genetic engineering. How to grow genetically modified plants. GMS is technology that involves inserting DNA into an organism's genome. New DNA is transferred into plant cells to create a GM plant. Typically, the cells are grown in tissue culture and eventually develop into plants. The new DNA will be passed down to the seeds produced by this plant. What are the benefits of genetic plant? Food that tastes better, plants that are disease and drought resistant, and require fewer environmental resources such as water and fertilizer, and use fewer pesticides, increase food supply at a lower cost and with a longer shelf life.